Turtles are the only thing that can still be made straight from atoms.
What?
Mate, you're f***ing waffling, mate. What are you on about?
Nah, look it up.
You're missing some vital steps.
Wait, so you're saying a turtle egg can just appear at any time?
Nah, two.
You're chatting shit.
Lola passed away.
Huh?
Lola passed away.
That's not like a dog's name.
Yeah.
Lola.
My dog's name is Lola. But the woman in there was called Lola as well. She had cancer. She had chemo.
Oh, in real life?
Yeah.
Jeez.
P kind of.
Oh shit.
Oh, I thought we were talking about.
No, it's no. So it's Eastenders, so it's fake. But yeah, it's still real.
Okay.
He just said it's real life. Alright, guys, welcome. And now it's my turn to do the what was it called? Draw wall. That's what we do in this picture.
It's not Pictionary. Pictionary is
Right,
completely
so-
different.
I too have 5 choices, and then I will say the prize first. Whoever wins this is going to get a signed United shirt from me. This shirt on back will be signed and handed over. It'll be a draw. Right? You guys playing for a draw?
Here's my bug money.
Let's get started. Are you guys ready?
So we got a minute.
Hands warm. Take it, Tammy. I'm not like that.
Nah, I think time is good.
There should be some sort of time.
Yeah, it should.
Yeah, don't take the piss. Yeah.
Right.
Alright, character number 1. Tweety. Yeah.
Okay. Tweety Bird. Tweety
I
Bird.
thought about this.
Tweety Bird. Do you know who used to draw really good Tweety Bird? James P.
Shout out to James P. But you can't call him to. You can't call him. Okay, I need to not look. Because at the last quiz, when I was looking at Barry's answers and stuff, I need to not do that. Because I lose composure. Jeez, I looked at it again. Alright, let's have 7 more seconds, guys. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Alright, let's review this. That's mad. Alright, so Brad, the last thing we do was like ears or something. Isn't that too easy as going on? Oh,
It's a Tweety Bird.
It's a close
He's
one.
really good at Big Bird. Because that also looks a bit like Big Bird.
I couldn't remember.
Mutated, what is that?
Jesus.
That's
I see
Tweety
what you're
Bird.
going for that. I see what
That's
you're going for.
Tweety
Yeah, definitely. You got the little neck thing as well in one of the episodes.
I've got a head shape. Like,
No, it was very close, but I think I want to give it to Bradley.
A tough look.
But yeah, again, I just want to make sure it was very close. Next, draw any Powerpuff.
we have a handicap against Brad no matter what.
Yeah.
Any Powerpuff Girl.
Any
I like
Powerpuff.
this. This is a.
If you want to draw all 3. Oh my god. That's a different Powerpuff Girl show. You started drawing that. You started with the assets of the Powerpuff. And they don't, because they're kids.
23 years later.
Oh yeah, that's true. Let's give it 7 more seconds again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I couldn't have done
That's mental.
I didn't have time for
Alright,
this.
let's reveal the answers, guys. Powerpuff Girls. Okay,
I didn't have time for the face.
Jeez.
I spent too long on the legs and the
Why?
fucking
That's
body.
like the head is the biggest part of that.
Yeah, that's mad. Alright, I think again it's a hard choice, but I'm gonna go Bradley Ward again.
Oh, okay.
It's 2-0
Nice,
for Brad.
nice.
I'll take that.
That's crazy, bro. That's mental.
I couldn't remember this.
Honestly,
I couldn't remember.
when he
the
started with
face.
the hair, I was like, okay, they have like long hair.
Wait, which one would you want?
The green one.
Oh.
He's drawing like the 4th one. I was like,
But literally,
failed experiment.
I literally got to the fucking body and after I was no time.
You had it. Oh, stage is falling apart.
No.
No.
Fuck it, it's fine.
This one's hanging on, isn't it? This peg is.
Yeah, that egg was disintegrating.
Look at the state of that. This is what we're doing, guys. Yeah. So if you want, you can donate £1 to make a set.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Wooden, plastic, anything will do.
Anything will do.
Fuck it, pins.
All of this is rented as well. We
Send
have to
us
give all
2
this back.
They're breaking.
All right. Character number 3. Draw minion.
A minion.
Yeah.
The one thing I'm actually happy about. Like, almost.
How you started? Oh. And they do have different types, don't they? So yeah.
Yeah, there's multiple
So-
options here.
Yeah, definitely.
Ready?
Alright.
Wait, sorry, guys.
There it goes. Alright, Jesus, release the answers. Alright, to be honest, this is a good, I think this is a good competition, eh? I can't, I have to go for the friendly one. Even though that's really, he's done like the overalls as well.
It's
Yeah,
good,
yeah,
but
I just cannot not get next character.
so let's see.
He's just upset because there's no point.
No, I'm
Draw a stick man. No, I'm joking. I realize that. I said no. Stop.
Stop it.
Right, 1 point for Barrett.
Fair enough.
Even that neck is massive, bro.
Yes, stick man.
And I did say man. I think that's a stick neutral.
I can add a third leg.
Draw Jerry from Tom and
Oh
Jerry.
shit.
One of my first loves in art. Oh wow, he starts with the whiskers. Yeah. I love that. I do think this one's quite hard, right? Because he's quite well drawn, isn't he?
Can't be off.
Seeing Barrett again. I need to like stand over here or something. Fucking hell, that could be any Disney character. Alright, let's give it 5 more seconds. 5. Fucking hell, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh wait. That's, yeah, go on.
Right, yeah, he's really saved himself on that one. Alright, there you go. That's like Jerry calls in his like Uncle Thugs. that's what yours like.
It's not quite Jerry. But I think
Just-
Barrett might take it.
Yeah, I think just for drawing the whole body.
There we go. You can have
So yeah, I'll definitely give it to Barrett. So Barrett, 1 point for Barrett. 3-1, neck and neck, going into the final round.
All for playful.
And it's massive as well. You really covered
Is
it.
this triple points as well?
Huh?
Is that what you said?
What?
You say this
Alright,
was
last point wins.
4 points.
Last point.
Last one wins the signed United shirt. Let's not forget. Alright, it's all in the line
Who's it
here.
signed?
Oh.
Huh? Me, signed up.
Oh, signed by that.
I'm not getting a fucking football to do. Right, and last and final character I wish you guys to draw is Cleveland.
Oh.
Giggity. Oh no, shit, I'm on the wrong one.
You won this one now. So, what are you doing? Alright, I think Barrow's got this now. Yep. Ready. You're stressed, mate. Because, you know what? I'll wait for him to show it. I think Barrow's got this in the bag, right? He's got a wife and a kid, doesn't he?
Cleveland Brown Jr.
Oh, he's a junior. No, I read this thing about people with the junior name. That means their mums scream their name during sex, right? Because they're normally named after their dad.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah. How weird is that?
No.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the drawing, guys. Please put the pen down. Put the pen down. All right. Wow. All right. Let's reveal the answers. This is Cleveland from Family Guy. Ooh.
I can't show that.
You see why he's got it in the bag?
No,
It's
they're
actually
gonna
cuffed up.
Give him the point and we'll win.
Yeah, you want to look like a Mexican Peter, don't you?
Yeah, it's
I like that. I like that though. Yeah, I love that.
not that's cool.
But I think Barrett has stolen this one. So to finish the round, 3-2.
Remember, that was point to win, so
Point to win.
he wins.
Oh,
He wins the United shirt. No. It's 3-2 the Bradley Ward.
No, he.
Nah, 3-2
It's Bradley Ward. Sorry,
Respect.
come here,
No.
Bradley. Here's the shirt. Come on.
Please.
So where do you want to sing it for then?
Surprise.
Yeah, I'll think about it.
Yeah. I'll let you wear it for the rest of this.
Yeah, I'll wear it. Yeah, I'll break it in and then yeah. Let's not do that. Let's alright.
Hello, welcome. This is my round. I am the one that initiated this in the beginning, so it's only fitting that we